Raja Casablanca coach Fahlu Davids has weighed in on the growing debate over Thembinkosi Lorch's omission from Hugo Bross's Bafana Bafana squad, a decision that has left fans and pundits divided ahead of the upcoming AFCON in Morocco. Lorch has been one of Wydad Athletic Club's standout performers this season, delivering consistently since joining the Moroccan Giants on a permanent deal at the start of the 2025-2026 campaign. His return followed a successful loan spell from Mamelodi Sundowns during the latter half of last season. Since settling at the Red Castle, the former Orlando Pirates playmaker has flourished, injecting energy, creativity, and product into Wydad's attack. In just 11 appearances across all competitions, the 32-year-old has scored 5 goals and provided 4 assists, form that many felt made him a natural selection for Bross's AFCON squad. But despite his resurgence, the Bolton coach has continued to overlook Lorch, prompting questions about the criteria behind national team selections. Speaking to SAFTA journalists on Thursday, Davids, who coached Lorch at Pirates, offered a balanced view. While he praised the winger's contributions in Morocco, he urged supporters to respect Hugo's choices and said Wydad play very direct with lots of crosses, long balls and set pieces. But with the signings of Lorch and Stefan Aziz Kai, they've become much more exciting to watch. Every attack goes through Lorch. He's the kind of player who can win you a match. He plays between the lines, but he can also exploit space behind the defense. He gives the team creativity and flair, qualities they've lacked in their approach. Davids did not hold back in his admiration for Lorch's form, emphasizing that the winger is undoubtedly among South Africa's top performers this season. However, he noted that Bross's tactical approach and selection philosophy also carry weight. He said Lorch has been amazing. At the same time, I respect the coach's decision. Yes, he's up there with the best in South Africa, but the coach has his own style and a clear way of playing. We have to support Hugo Bross. I'm disappointed for Lorch because when we are playing outside the country, sometimes you feel less appreciated than players at Kaizer Chiefs, Pirates and Sundowns who are seen weekly. The Raja Casablanca coach said that while Lorch is highly regarded in Morocco, supporters must rally behind the national team and the players Bross has chosen. He said, here in Morocco, he's respected, but we must support the national team and the attackers who were selected. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.